Hi everyone, Joe from LMN here. Today I'm going to walk you through how you can utilize the estimate import tool to help you save some time throughout your estimate creation process. So right now I am in estimates under standard, and I want to create a new estimate here for a patio build for an existing client within LMN. If I navigate to the top right and select the plus new button, going to search for an existing contact to create this estimate for. Now what you'll see now is an estimate that's created, but it is blank. Now, typical workflow would be to go in here, add my work area, add the labor, the equipment, and all the required materials. So to help me streamline this and save some time, I'm going to utilize the import button in the middle here to import the patio build work area from another estimate that was already made in the system. So if I click this button, you'll see that the estimates that already exist in LMN are appearing in this drop down here. If I select this one because I know that I was just at the Suban residence not too long ago doing a patio build project, I can hit select and I will see the different work areas that exist on that estimate to begin with. If I click on the desired work area and hit finish, it's going to import the name of the work area, the desired cost codes, and all of the items that exist from my price list already. This will help you save some time throughout that process.